friends, Running Kimono here. So to answer a couple questions, Walgreens is a go. The sales price items are ringing up properly. See how it says sale at the end? It doesn't say MOD, which is modification. It's ringing up properly. And if you look at the bottom of my receipt, it says MFG, which is manufacturer, electronic, which is ECPN, which is electronic coupon, the 9 off of 2 for the L'Oreal, melted off right there. The $5 off for the Olay, gonzo. And then also the 4 off of 2 for the Colgate, gone as well. I will let you guys know I bought 3 of the same body washes, 2 of the same toothbrushes, and then 2 of the same mascaras. Is that what's helping this out? I don't know, but all of my digitals came off. Register rewards printing. I had one little snafu, but it's looking pretty promising this morning. And to all of my subscribers, I just want to wish you a happy 4th if you celebrate on Monday with some spectacular fireworks or possibly deals at Walgreens. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so if you're anything like me, I like to buy my newspapers over at Walgreens, depending if you're in Chicago and it's $5 for one paper, obviously pass. But it's like $1.50 per paper up here. If you want to use some of those $4 store register rewards to buy your paper, by all means, go for it. It's scanned for me today. I grabbed a couple. Or you can use Walgreens cash to pay, but it's just a way that you're not out there, buying newspapers. Definitely thumb through whatever the newspaper is in your town to make sure these inserts are there, but they were there this Sunday. The first little thing I want to touch on is clearance. My store had an enormous amount of clearance in the aisles. That's like the holiday section, fun in the sun, like all the fun summer stuff. A lot of this stuff on clearance and also peppered throughout the store. The first one is this Melissa and Doug. It's like a kid's coloring book. Definitely something to play with when you're, on a long trip with the family. So it was $6.49 down to $1.29. So they had that sticker book with the Paw Patrol and also this one that I think you just color in. And this is just a fun little activity for kids, even if I save it for Christmas, because I usually like to do like an educational little packet of books and coloring things, like fun stuff for Christmas, but on an educational sort of spin on it. And this is totally up that alley. $1.29 for this Trolls as well. So definitely look through that aisle. And if you see things tagged or a similar book, maybe bring it up to the cash register and ask the cashier, please, could you scan this for me? And if it's on clearance and if you're looking for merchandise like this, by all means, $1.29, that is the stock up price. Okay, so the next thing I found, this is originally $9.99. It is $1.99, so 80% off. And it's just like a box with a bunch of movie trivia. If you're ever on a long road trip where the phones don't work and, just a fun thing to do in the car, we tend to do this in our household. So $1.99, yes. And I got a couple to gift also for next Christmas. I like to do little baskets and stuff. So this is perfect for some adults. Another spectacular find are the Margaritaville drink mixes, and they don't expire till next year. 0 sugar, and so it has that margarita flavor for 12 cents. I mean, hello. Definitely going to put these to some good use. And then Cetaphil, I could not leave this at the store. The original price for this was $25, $2.49. I wish I had a digital coupon, but I used one of those store register rewards to pay it down, but it's still fantastic. And then these Kiss and then Impression nails, 90 cents. I know there was a TearPad coupon, but they're different companies, so I was like, whatever. I just used a couple bucks in Walgreens cash and made it happen. Definitely look through the aisles, the clearance section, that fun in the sun area, tons of clearance to be had and found. Okay, before I dive into my mega haul, I'm just going to show you one quick deal. If you're like, I want to do something at Walgreens today, this is definitely the one to do, to grab these toothbrushes, or alternatively, the mouth rinse. We don't get a lot of deals for this. I wish my store had it, but it was completely gone. But I grabbed the toothbrushes. I didn't want any toothpaste. So I know a lot of you love to look at the tags. It's $3.99. Buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. And to make the deal a little bit sweeter, we have a 4 off of 2 digital. So definitely load this, like that free mouthwash. That's totally what it's about if you can find 2 of them. So I grabbed 2 similar toothbrushes for $7.98. That 4 off of 2 digital came off. Paid $3.98, got back my $4 in Walgreens cash. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it, or a store register reward or a regular register reward. To make this happen, just to note that. Okay, so just to show you what I did with my bigger basket, I had this booster, which is 10 back when you spend 50. And why you guys are not getting this, I don't know. It's some of my accounts get it, some of them don't. And I'm only using 2 accounts, but my husband's account lately not getting it, just to note that. Now, this came out of the machine first thing for me, and yes, I can stack it with that digital booster, which is 8 back when you spend 40. So that's $18 back when I'm spending 50. So I had to get creative with this basket. So what I did, guys, was I got all like items. So I got 3 like body washes, 2 like toothbrushes, and then the mascara. I thought I was buying the like ones, but I don't know. They're in different packages, but they're both $205. But it's the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And that's the one item that gave me a problem, but I'll tell you about it. But this overall basket was $51. So just to show you again, like all the where I found it in the store, the 2 charcoal brushes at $3.99, and then you need your 4 off of 2 digital loaded. So just to give you a quick peek, what does the coupon look like? This is what the coupon looks like. So make sure you have it loaded. Everybody's favorite, the Olay body wash. So I grabbed 3 like Olay, and I got this sea salt one. Also tagged for this deal because I know a lot of you swear by bar soap. $6.49 for the bar soap. And we have a very generous coupon that popped up this morning, which is a 5 off of 3. And then when you buy 3 of these items, you get back a $5 register reward. And yes, that printed for me. So definitely load this one. It's much better than the 10 off of 5 or the other one I was talking about. This is the better one. And if you look at the side, $6.49, you know the sales prices are working. Okay, so $11.99, $7 register reward when you spend 20 or more on participating L'Oreal cosmetics. It's tagged right there, and I grabbed 2 of them, and that $7 register reward did not print for me. The nice manager gave me $7 in lieu, but it's right there, so I grabbed the right item. So I don't know what precisely went wrong, but nothing printed out for this, so it's kind of a perplexing mystery. And then for all you millennials out there, check this out. Millennial pink mascara. So it's like a pink mascara. I've never bought that one. I went with black, but I'm just curious. Has anybody ever bought this pink mascara? Let me know in the comments. We have a very generous 9 off of 2 digital. And yes, it came off for me. But hang on to your hat about this L'Oreal deal. It just gets a bit sweeter for you. We have $4 back with IBOTTA. So you'll get it twice. So you'll get $4 back. And it worked for me. No problems, no issues. Okay, friends, 3 of the Olay body washes, $19.47, $6.49 a pop, times 3. That's how I'm getting that price point. 2 Colgate brushes for $7.98, and 2 of the mascaras at $11.99 for $23.98. The total here is $51.43. So I had my 10 back when you spend 50 booster loaded. It's an electronic one. I got the cashier to scan the paper booster, which was 8 back when you spend 40. I also had $18 of digital manufacturers come off right there. And then I presented one $4 manufacturer register reward from last week that also scanned. So I paid $29.43 with my debit card. I have to use my debit card because I'm using boosters with this. I did get back $22 in Walgreens cash. A $5 register reward for the Olay, but the 7 back for the mascara did not print. Very nice manager credited me that. Alternatively, beg a manager or possibly get in touch with the Catalina company. That mascara is marked as the part of the promotion. I do not know why it's not printing, but it's also Sunday, so sometimes this goofy stuff happens. And I also got back $4 from IBOTTA, 2 for each of those mascara, making this haul free plus an $8.57 moneymaker. If you do not want to count my one $4 register reward, it would still be like a $4 and change moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as we're using boosters with this basket. This is a very smart deal. Another quick little monthly deal, if you can track these down, look for them on an end cap. The 500 count Q-tips are 2 for $7. So for 3 of them, that's going to be exactly $10.50. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay this down. And for every 3 that you buy, you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. So I would definitely use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 50 cents plus the tax, get your $5 in Walgreens cash because this is a buy scenario. If you're not using this with the booster, yes, you can use store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay it down. If you are doing it with a booster, like an 8 back when you spend 40, you'd have to pay with your debit card, just to note that. So, but if you just wanted to get these, burn through some register rewards, by all means, make something happen. Now, before I skedaddle, we can't forget our best friend, which is the Blueberry Muffin Kit Kat. I'm certainly not going to try this, but I'm going to torture my husband and make him try it. It's a limited edition, and we have a very generous, they pulled out all the stops with this digital coupon. 25-cent digital coupon. I'm hoping IBOTTA has a rebate for this, but grabbing one of these for $1, find them right at checkout. They have a little display. 25-cent digital, you're paying 75 cents. I grabbed one of these because my basket of all that clearance, I was a little bit short, so I needed this to get the basket right to $20. I'm like, Blueberry Kit Kat. As always, guys, we'll catch you in the next one, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.